Flex 80 is a flexible urethane rubber mixed 1:1 by weight, with a 4-minute work time and a 2-hour demold time. Its shore hardness of 80A makes it great for parts that require limited flexibility like rollers, bumpers, and other industrial applications. Measure out equal parts of side A and side B, mixing thoroughly and quickly to combine both sides. Quickly degassing the mixture helps ensure bubble-free castings when hand pouring. You can also cast Flex 80 under pressure to eliminate any visible air bubbles. Add color with dyes to perfectly create new or replicate existing parts. Pour Flex 80 into your mold within the working time to ensure a good casting. Flex 80 is ready to demold in just 2 hours and is fully cured in 72.